You need to hear this if you're a student. Skip this video, and you'll miss the skill that's helping students land six-figure jobs. No degree, connections, or coding required. Today, let's talk about what really sets you apart in a world where everyone has a degree. It's not your grades or your major anymore. The game has changed. The real edge? A new set of product skills that universities barely mention, but top companies crave. These skills let you go from idea to launch. No permission needed, no gatekeepers. If you're not learning them in 2025, you're already behind. Let's break down the 3 product skills that will future-proof your career. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about UX design thinking. Arguably the most underrated and transformative skill you can learn today, no matter your background or career goals. UX isn't just about making things look pretty or adding cool animations. It's about making things truly work for real people, in real situations, solving real problems. Think about why you love using Spotify or Duolingo. It's not luck or magic. It's the result of intentional design thinking, where every detail is crafted to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. UX starts with empathy, talking to users, mapping their journey, and digging deep to understand their real frustrations, needs, and motivations. You don't just guess what people want. You go out and find out. You observe, you listen, and you ask the right questions to uncover insights that others might miss. Then, you define the core problem. This means turning vague ideas and scattered feedback into clear, actionable goals that everyone on your team can rally behind. Next, you brainstorm solutions. No idea is too wild or out of the box at this stage. The goal is to generate as many creative options as possible, because innovation often comes from unexpected places. You quickly prototype, even if it's just with rough sketches or simple tools like Figma. The point isn't perfection. It's about bringing ideas to life fast so you can learn what works. Then, you test with real users. You watch what works, what confuses people, and you iterate fast, making changes based on real feedback, not assumptions. This cycle, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, is the engine behind every great product you've ever used. It's a process that never really ends, because there's always something to improve. UX design thinking isn't just for designers, marketers, engineers, doctors. Anyone who wants to solve real problems for real people can benefit from learning this approach. It's a universal toolkit for innovation. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. Google's UX design certificate on Coursera and Figma Academy are free. Hands-on ways to dive in and start building real skills. Start your own UX journal. Screenshot great app flows, jot down what works, and sketch out how you'd fix the ones that frustrate you. This habit will sharpen your eye for design and problem solving. Adopting this mindset is your first step to becoming indispensable in any team or organization. It's about seeing the world through the eyes of others and always looking for ways to make things better. Imagine walking into an interview and saying, "I validate ideas with real user research and rapid prototyping." That's the kind of thinking that makes you stand out from the crowd and gets you noticed. Don't wait, start today. Sign up for a course, download Figma, and begin observing the world with a designer's eye. Every app, every website, every product is a chance to learn. UX design thinking is the foundation for everything else you'll build in your career. Whether you're making apps, services, or even physical products, it's not just a skill. It's a way to make sure what you create actually matters to the people who use it, and that your work has real impact. Companies everywhere are searching for people who can bridge the gap between big ideas and the real needs of users. That's the sweet spot where innovation happens. Learn UX, and you're not just building things, you're building the right things with confidence and purpose. That's the difference that gets you hired, and the reason UX design thinking is the ultimate empathy engine for your career. Next, let's talk about no code, the toolkit that lets anyone build software. No coding required. It's a movement that's changing the way people create, opening doors for students, entrepreneurs, and creators everywhere. For years, not knowing how to code meant your ideas stayed ideas. You might have had a brilliant solution or a creative project in mind, but without programming skills, it felt impossible to bring it to life. Not anymore. No-code tools like Bubble, Webflow, and Thunkable let you build apps, websites, and automations visually. You can drag, drop, and connect features together, seeing your product come to life as you work. No complex syntax or debugging required. You can launch a startup, side project, or club tool this weekend. No computer science degree needed. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and your creativity is the only limit. Bubble is perfect for web apps. Webflow is the go-to for stunning websites. Thunkable and Adalo let you build mobile apps for iOS and Android. Each tool is designed to help you focus on your idea, not the technical hurdles. No-code is a game changer for students. You can test business ideas, build MVPs, and get real users before you ever need funding or a team. You can validate your concept, gather feedback, and iterate quickly, all on your own. Freelancers with no-code skills are in demand. Small businesses need websites and tools, and you can deliver fast. You can even start your own freelance business, helping others bring their ideas to life. No-code isn't just for big projects. Tools like Zapier let you automate repetitive tasks, making you and your team more efficient. Imagine connecting your favorite apps and services so your workflow runs smoothly in the background. Combine no-code with UX. Take your Figma prototypes and turn them into real working products in days, not months. You can go from idea to interactive demo faster than ever, impressing users and stakeholders alike. Start by picking one tool and going deep. Bubble for web apps, Webflow for websites. Both have amazing free tutorials. There are communities, forums, and step-by-step guides to help you every step of the way. Don't just watch. Build something simple. A campus directory, a club tracker, or your own portfolio. The best way to learn is by doing, and every project you finish builds your skills and confidence. The goal is to learn by doing, solve real problems, and build your confidence. Each project you tackle is a step toward mastering the tools and thinking like a creator. No-code puts the power of creation in your hands. You don't need to be a tech person, just a creative problem solver. If you can dream it, you can build it. Imagine showing up to an interview with a live app and real users. That's the kind of story that gets you noticed. It shows initiative, creativity, and the ability to turn ideas into reality. No-code isn't a shortcut. It's a new way to build, learn, and launch. It empowers you to move quickly, experiment, and adapt as you grow. Embrace it, and you'll move from idea to impact faster than ever. Share your projects, get feedback, and inspire others to start their own journey. The tools are free, the learning curve is short, and the opportunities are huge. There's never been a better time to start building. Don't wait for permission. Start building now. Every project you launch is a step toward your future. The future belongs to creators, not just coders. Those who can turn ideas into products will shape what comes next. No-code is your ticket in. It's your invitation to join the next generation of makers and innovators. Build, launch, and learn by doing. Every click, every experiment brings you closer to mastering the digital world. Don't let this revolution pass you by. The world is waiting for your ideas, so start building today. Now let's level up. You've learned how to build and design, but now it's time to think bigger. About the direction, the vision, and the impact of your work. Product strategy and road mapping. This is what turns builders into leaders. It's the difference between just making things and making things that matter. UX helps you build the right thing, ensuring your product solves real problems for real people. No-code helps you build it fast, turning your ideas into reality without waiting for months of development. Product strategy helps you build the right thing at the right time. It's about making smart choices, not just working hard. It's about vision. Where is your product going? Who is it for? What makes it different from everything else out there? These are the questions leaders ask. A clear strategy keeps your team focused, and stops you from chasing every shiny idea. It's your filter for what matters and what doesn't. The roadmap is your plan. What to build next, what to skip, and how to sequence your work for maximum impact, and how it all fits your bigger goals. Prioritization is key. Without it, you'll drown in ideas and to-dos. You'll get ideas from everywhere. Users, bosses, engineers, even your own late-night brainstorms. You can't do it all. Trying to build everything is a recipe for burnout and mediocre results. Use frameworks like impact versus effort to quickly spot what's worth your time, or RICE to decide what matters most, so you can focus on what will move the needle. Product strategy is about balancing user needs with business goals. It's a constant dance between what people want and what the business needs to thrive. The best feature in the world is useless if it doesn't help the business survive. Sometimes, you have to make tough calls. You need to think like a CEO, data-driven, focused, and always looking at the bigger picture, and ready to say no to distractions. Learn from the best. Study how great product leaders make decisions. Follow product leaders like Shreyas Doshi or Lenny Rakitsky, who share their wisdom and real-world lessons, and study real-world case studies. See how strategy shaped the products you use every day. Practice by picking a product you use and break down what makes it successful, or what could make it better. Imagine you're the product manager, responsible for every decision and every outcome. Try writing a one-page strategy for a new feature. What's the goal? Who's it for? How will you measure success? Apply this thinking to your own projects. Set a clear goal, make a simple roadmap, and share it with your team. Force yourself to prioritize. It's not easy, but it's what separates good teams from great ones. This skill multiplies your impact. It's how you turn effort into real, measurable results. It turns your UX and no-code skills into real results that matter to users and organizations. Companies want people who can think strategically, not just execute tasks. When you combine UX, no-code, and product strategy, you become a rare and valuable asset. You become a full-stack product creator. You can spot problems, design solutions, build them, and lead teams to deliver, and guide them to success, learning from every launch and iteration. This isn't just for future product managers. Marketers, consultants, and even non-profit leaders all benefit from this mindset. Product strategy thinking is a superpower in any field. It helps you lead, influence, and drive change. Product strategy is a universal leadership skill, disguised as a tech discipline. It's the secret ingredient that helps you stand out and make a difference. It's what makes you a driver of growth and innovation. Start learning it now, and you'll be ready for any challenge the future throws at you. This is the skill that sets leaders apart. Make it yours, and watch your impact multiply. Step up, take the lead, and let product strategy be your compass on the journey to becoming a true leader. So, those are the three: UX design thinking, no-code, and product strategy. Together, they're your system for turning ideas into reality, and your unfair advantage. The world needs creators, not just followers. Start building, start leading. Invest in these skills now, and you're not just preparing for a job, you're building your future. Like, share, and subscribe for more future-proof skills. You're not just a student anymore, you're a builder. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the skills that will shape your future.